Hi everybody. Well, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library again, and we're back to make a snack. This week, our theme is community helpers. And when you pick up your packet this week, it was going to be about doctors, and it's going to be about nurses, because there are community helpers that we're focusing on this week. Now, you know that your doctor wants you to eat good, healthy snacks. And today I have one made with an apple and some peanut butter. And we're going to make an apple cookie. Now the first thing we're going to do is, and you need to get help with this, get an adult to help you. And slice an apple all the way through, all the way like this. This is a crunchy apple. Slice it all the way through. And then I'm putting my sharp knife back away. Then, this is your apple right here. The next thing you need is, well, I'm going to take a little paper towel and I'm going to blot my apple off a little bit so the peanut butter will stay on it. There we go. And then I'm going to get peanut butter. I'm going to get quite a bit of peanut butter and I'm going to put it on my apple. And I'm going to go around and I'm going to go around and around and around and around, just like this, all the way, and I'm going to have a beautiful, oh my goodness, there's my cookie, okay? Now there's my peanut butter and apple cookie. Now here you have one, and this one has raisins, and this one has chocolate chips. Now, guess what I'm going to put on this one? Oh yeah, this one is going to get some strawberries on it, because strawberries are full of vitamins and you can eat those and they'll be so good for you. So you've got a strawberry cookie. Oh, I'm going to put one more. Oh, right in the middle. You have a strawberry cookie, a chocolate chip cookie, and a raisin cookie. So this week when you think about making snacks, think about what you can make. And you can put anything on top of here. You could put blueberries, bananas, nuts. You can put anything you want, but these are just the things that I chose for mine. So be sure that you pick up your kit this week, have fun, and make a nice healthy snack. Bye guys, miss ya.